After the tea is plucked at the estate, the harvested tea is transferred to the factory thrice a day so that it doesn't ferment and burn in the bag. In this process, the moisture is physically and chemically removed in the withering trough. The caffeine content increases in this stage. This is for uniform feed of the leaves into the shredder. The shredder shreds the leaves into fine size for feeding into the 5-cut CTC roller. CTC being crushing, tearing and curling. The Rotorvane crushes the shredded leaves into the CTC roller. The 5-cut CTC roller is cutting the particles into fine sizes based on market demands. Oxidation takes place in the fermentation drums. The ambient air blows in, which oxidizes the tea leaves and helps in giving the tea the familiar orange-red color. The moisture content is reduced from 58% to 3% in the fluid bed dryer. This is the second last stage before the tea is consumed. Electrofibromats and grading machines are used to remove the fiber from the tea and then for grading so that uniform particle sizes are gotten. This process removes the light tea to ensure only the dense particle goes in before it is bulked, weighed and bagged and kept for shipping.